This is letter G. When G has curve on it, the sound is G, G, G. And the animal name is goldfish, goldfish, goldfish.
I got a gift of green goldfish and I put it in a golden dish. Goldfish are usually brightly colored. Many are multicolored. Some have scales so thin the scales can hardly be seen. Some goldfish grow only to be 2 or 3 inches or 5 or 8 centimeters long. Others grow to be more than a foot or 30 centimeters in length. Goldfish require a little care. Water in the container should be about 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 19 degrees Celsius. Extreme changes of temperature are harmful. The water should be kept clean. The goldfish need to be fed once a day. They eat worms, breadcrumbs, water fleas, and plants. They do not have eyelids, so something must be placed in the container to provide shade.
One day, Gabe's grandpa Garner came home from Galway. In his hand, he had a small square box swinging from a wire handle.
Gabe, I brought you something.
Oh, good Grandpa Garner, what is it?
I'm going to let you find out for yourself. Here, open it carefully.
Gabe took the wire handle of the little box. He thought he heard a faint sound like water sloshing back and forth, and the box seemed to move in his hand. Is it alive? Isn't it, Grandpa? Is it an animal?
Well, Gabe, open it and see.
Gabe opened the first flap, and the second flap. He opened the third flap and the fourth flap. There was water in the box. And a fish. Oh boy, a fish. What kind of fish is it, Grandpa?
What kind do you think, Gabe?
Maybe a guppy, Gabe said. No, it isn't a guppy. Maybe it's a goldfish, Gabe said, looking closely at the fish. No, he isn't gold. He's green. Is he a green fish or a goldfish, Grandpa?
I guess he's a green goldfish, Gabe. I thought he was pretty.
So do I, Gabe said. I wonder if he likes being green. I'm going to name him Gary Goldfish. Gabe's mother got him a bowl for his goldfish, a pretty gold-colored glass bowl. That's a nice home for Gary Goldfish, Mom. Thank you. That night, Gabe laid in his bed, watching Gary Goldfish, the green fish, or the green goldfish. Gabe was almost asleep when he said to Gary Goldfish, just pretending of course, "What are you, Gary Goldfish?"
I am a green goldfish.
Gabe thought he heard Gary Goldfish say. Gabe knew that Gary Goldfish couldn't talk, of course, but still, what had he heard? Gabe decided to try again. Do you like being a green goldfish? Most goldfish are gold.
I know, but I like being green,
said Gary Goldfish. You do? Gabe whispered. You like being different.
I like being different because that's being me. I like being the way God created me.
I am different too, Gabe said. I have red hair. Sometimes my friends tease me.
Everybody's different in some way,
said Gary Goldfish.
Some people are left-handed, some are tall, some are short, some are good at one thing, and some are good at another.
Yes, said Gabe, and some are not as good at doing some things, like me. I'm better at math than English. I'm good at baseball, but not very good at football. Gabe thought he saw Gary Goldfish nod his head wisely. Gabe wasn't sure.
That's exactly it. Everyone is different. That's how God created us. God made you as you are because that's exactly the right way for you to be. Because God has a different plan for your life, different from anybody else's. You are the way God wants you to be.
Gabe was almost asleep. I am the way God created me because that's the right way for me, Gabe whispered to himself. I'm glad God made me different from anyone else. And the next minute, Gabe was fast asleep.
Let us read these words phonetically. G-A-G, G-A-G, G A ga, G I gi, G E ge, E g egg, E g egg, A g ag, I g ig, E g egg, G A game, G A R B garb, G I R gear, E g g egg, B E g bag.